steel.
You don't have to start it up.
Okay.
Not a big.
It's a bad dude.
Yeah. That is sweet.
And then picture here, he asked about this builder that I have, that I hadn't had a chance to get it out and take pictures for him. Lights aren't in there?
Yeah, that's what I'm doing now.
Does it take voice?
Yep.
Alright. And I'll just show him.
One quick. Or it's already
Oh, you just hold it? Or
yeah,
it's
it's
recording?
already,
Okay, this is the 32 Builder, Dale. It's got all new wood and seat springs and stuff are in it. It's got a little pitting, as you can tell, in the door here, just a tad, but it's all steel. It was damaged back here in the back at one point in time and had a little bit of work just in this quarter area, but it's never been chopped or filled. As you can tell, the floors are all in it and nice. It's had a little bit of work over the years, but still a 32.5 window builder. The frame is going to be your biggest problem. If you can see it in the video there, it's got some pitting in the frame. Like I told you, the frame's not going to be real usable for a restoration. It's great for a hot rod. Brakes, tranny, everything's on it. Deck lids here. In this big pile of shit is all the garnish moldings, firewall or header panels, dash, tanks, running boards, banjo steering wheel, headlight bars, windshield bars, bumpers, just an assortment of pretty much everything. The guy had the car parked in his garage for many years, radiator, what have you. So there you go.
Thank you.
Ooh.